Welcome back. All right, so for this video, I'll be doing lace front. As you can see, she's liking it already. So we start by coloring the hair. Then there's a cap where you could fix on the hair. So just me. What I was trying to do there, I was putting the what I call it foundation on the cap wig so that everything will blend to our skin, the skin foundation. So yeah, that's what I apply. So just me just trying to prep, make sure that this lace front is giving. Yeah. Alright, cut to the cap wig, make sure everything is blended to the skin so that everything will be looking like natural. So me applying the ghost glue, that's ghost glue for the cap wig. So applying it all over the what they call it, the cap we will put on the hair. So that, yeah, so you can't really see the cap. There's a cap there actually. It looks natural, right? Because we add the foundation that look like our skin, like the skin color. So just me just arranging the ghost glue around the cap wig, around the edges. Yeah, we'll be putting the cap wig. Let's go. So yeah, we're fixing the cap wig on the head, like try to make sure everything blend in properly. From the edges to the back to everywhere. Actually, so after putting it, so just have to try it a little bit just in case the ghost glue anyone did not dry properly. So you just have to try a little bit. Yeah. Alright, let's take out this extra lace out of the hair. Wow, look at how natural the hair is giving. Oh shit, loving it already. So that's how to comb, by the way. That is to comb the edges so that just in case any lace glue is around the edges, so take everything out and the short hair around it. So there is the hot iron comb to comb everything in so that everything will blend so well. So now I'm using the flat iron to press it so that the hair pattern will look so neat and clean. With frontal, lace wig, anything weave, you need different equipment because they have processes for everything. You need blow dry, flat iron, tongue iron, out comb, everything. So yeah, we're done with that. So just me recoiling the hair like with the tongue iron to give it a nice looking coils. Done with the coils. Let's go. Yeah, we're done with the coil. Look at the hair looking, giving. This lace front is giving. Look at the edges. Look at the baby hair. Oh my goodness, it's giving. All right, thanks for watching. And this is how we do our frontal chair. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please tell a friend to tell a friend. And I'll see you on my next video. Ciao.